Going to use extra virgin olive oil to saute our mushroom, turkey, veggie, satay ginisa, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter speaking to you about the video. Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available worldwide at Amazon, Ex-Libris, Barnes& Noble, Soul, bookstores, worldwide online stores, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bsedmsed.com, juanitagutierrez.com. Come on, let's get ready to cook, and our pan is steaming hot right now, and we are going to pour in the olive oil, just like so. And also, I am going to add in organic butter, just for a little kick. Right there, excuse me please. And we're gonna put one cube, just like so. And then, excuse me please, let me put this back to the fridge. And look at that beautiful organic butter. And now, we're going to add in, excuse me please, the garlic. Thank God for the garlic. It's super aromatic and delicious. And you will notice some garlic skin. Mom said, the aroma is super aromatic, super delicious, super inviting. Mom said that it's alright if you have some skins of the garlic because there are nutritions as well. And the garlic, oh my goodness, this is super aromatic, super delicious, delightful. Thank God for the garlic. When we saute garlic, it brings out the wonderful, aromatic, delicious aroma. I wish you're all here with me so you could smell the aroma and enjoy cooking and taste the good taste. Next, we're going to drop in the baby carrots. I just cut the baby carrots in half. Excuse me, please. And we are going to saute it with mushrooms as well. And we are wrapping in the mushrooms, excuse me please, I'm excited. The carrots, because we want them cooked faster, and so we are going to stir. And now we're going to do the luya or ginger. It's good for the ginger to have in our food because it has lots of nutrition. Now I'm adding in the turnips. As you can see, beautiful color and super delicious. And we continue to stir as well. And I'm going to add the mushrooms later on because it easily cooks. And we're going to do next the turkey meat so that it will cook quickly. And so we stir that as well. And then we're going to add in the grape tomato. It is in the shape of a grape. That's why it's called grape tomato. And we'll put in. And then we continue to stir like so. And now I'm adding in the onions. The aroma, the blending of the aroma of the onions is super yum. And now I'm adding in the mushrooms right now. And we continue to stir. Wow, the aroma is super gourmet. I wish you're all here with me so you could taste, smell the aroma, enjoy cooking, and taste the good taste. And then we're going to add in soy sauce. Just a little bit. I'm eyeing on it because I grew up watching Mom cultivate. And then we're adding Himalayan salt. I bought this in Canada. My mom is Canadian, as well as my siblings, other siblings. That's a little bit because this is powerful, the Himalayan. And then we have pure ground black pepper, a little bit. And now we continue to stir. The aroma is just inviting you and me and all of us. And I'm going to add in a little bit of Icelandic water, spring water from Iceland, or you could use tap water as well. And then we add it. The aroma is super yum. Just perfect. I wish you're all here with me so you could enjoy our sauté turkey, mushrooms, turnips. Ginisa in Tagalog language. This is super yum. And I'm going to invite you to have a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. If you would like to order all fresh seafoods at www.allfreshseafood.com, or you could call them here in New York City, New York, USA, 4 a.m. 1-833-GOT-CRAB, and get a 10% discount when you use my name, Juanita. And thank you for your support. The aroma is inviting you and me and all of us to dine and cook first. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful, colorful, super nutritious? Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Napakasarap. That means super gourmet. Thank you for watching, and for my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, so that you could be updated in all my uploads. Now we are going to cover it, and see you in the next video. Let's enjoy my beloved mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. Enjoy cooking, and all my 22 boxes, 22, are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, juanitagutierrez.com, and the other one is juanitagutierrez.com. And this cookbook of my mom, you could upload it quickly in your computer if you choose ebook or Kindle. Thank you all so very much to all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy cooking. Yum.